They should get a little bit more. It is their money after all.
Taoiseach, you said last night that it was cynical people that would say that Fine Gael couldn't solve the housing crisis and that rebuilding Ireland was a plan that was working. But how can you make such a statement when Ireland has one of the highest homeless figures to date?
Yeah, well, I can certainly say that statement is incorrect. Ireland has one of the lowest levels of homelessness. We're actually a country, by international standards, compared with our peers, that has a low level of homelessness.
Is that per capita, or where's that figure from?
They're the stats, and we can provide them for you. And that is, of course, a good thing. It's a good thing that in Ireland we've a low level of homelessness compared to our peer countries. But what's better than that is we don't think that's good enough, and we want to continue to reduce homelessness in the years ahead.
Does Ireland not have one of the highest homeless figures the country has ever seen?
Yes. Obviously, homelessness and the number of people in emergency accommodation has increased in the last number of years. But by international standards, homelessness in Ireland is low, but that's not good enough. We want to make sure that we turn the tide on it, and I think we'll do that in the coming months and years. We've already seen in Dublin the number of people who are in emergency accommodation is now falling, and we know what works. We just need to extend that now to the rest of the country and intensify it in Dublin.